Okay, now we're going to show you a demonstration of the preferences of the MV-1000. We can go ahead and get into the preference menu by either pushing a button on the palm device itself or by clicking on the menu, the title bar, the MV-1000 title bar up top. At this point we can go ahead and choose the preference menu, and we'll go ahead and go through these one at a time for you. The first option you have is to use bold font, so if you'd like for the words to be displayed in bold as opposed to the current font, you can go ahead and check that option. At this point you can also choose to hide the I want button if you don't want your child to use the I want button, if you don't want it to show up on the main screen there. The next option you have is to disable the function keys. So if you find that your child's pushing all the buttons on the front of the palm device and doing things you don't necessarily want them to do, you can disable the function keys. And you can even take that one step further by locking the device for exclusive use. This will ensure that you cannot exit out of the MV-1000 software and get into the regular palm functions unless you come back to the preference menu and uncheck that checkbox. At this point you can also change the volume and hear a feedback of how the volume is going. You can mute the device entirely by clicking mute here. And you also have the option at this point to change between male and female voices with a simple click. Go ahead and click OK to save your choices. And you can see now we have a female voice. And we also have hidden the I want button.